Hello friends. In this video I will tell you about the best way to sow carrot seeds. When using it, you will get quick shoots of carrots, and the most important thing is that in this way you can sow carrots even in May and the seeds will defy nightly germinate. A subscriber from America shared this method with me. They are very hot and only sowing carrots in this way can achieve good results and get a large harvest of carrots in the future. After all, if you didn't know, carrot seeds are covered with essential oils, and because of this, moisture penetrates poorly into the seed, and that's why carrot seeds are hard to germinate and they take from 2 weeks to 1 month to germinate. Well, by applying this method, after 2 weeks you will get a completely filled bed with sprouts. First you need to prepare a bed. Since carrots are a root crop, then you need to loosen the soil well so that the carrots grow smooth and long. The distance between the rows of carrots should be 4 inches, and the depth of the hole 1 inch. By the way, if you are interested in how I made which beds from old pallets, then write about it in the comments. I will defy nightly shoot a detailed video. They turned out to be strong, high, warm and with a nutritious soil. This will increase the yield several times. Then, before sowing, we must water the pits. This is necessary so that the soil is compacted, so that small carrot seeds do not fall into the loose soil in depth, because if they are deep underground, even this method of sowing will not help them to germinate. Carrots are sown superficially. You need to wait a few minutes for the water to soak in. Then we take carrot seeds. Mine are pre-processed. The manufacturer did it, and such seeds have better germination and are perfectly visible on the ground. I sow them without any devices. Let the shoots be frequent and then I will make thinning and leave the right amount of carrots so that it grows large. Please note that I did not sow them with a thin strip, but along the entire width of the hole, so I will get thicker rows and more harvest. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the rest of the videos about caring for carrots. Then I sprinkle the seeds on top with a thin layer of soil, no more than ½ an inch. I take the soil from the sides of the hole, and if I come across compacted soil in the form of stones, then I crush it with my hands. And I seal the soil well with my hands so that there is good contact of the soil with the seeds. This will accelerate their germination. Then I water again, but with a sprinkler nozzle installed on the watering can. This is necessary so that the seeds are not washed to the top. And now the most important thing to do is to cover each row with a board. I have a board a little longer than the bed. It will need to be cut off so that it lies tightly on the ground and closes the row. This will allow us to keep a constantly moist and at the same time loose soil until the emergence of carrot shoots. Because now, before the seeds germinate from the soil, I will no longer water the bed. Thereby the soil will not condense. The sun will not dry out the top layer of the soil in which the seeds are located, and another advantage is that the sun will heat the board and under it there will be conditions like in a greenhouse. The soil will be warm and moist. You can also cover the garden with any dense and heavy material that you have. For example, I will use an old slate. The wind will not be able to blow it away. Therefore, it is better not to use the film. I also do not advise using metal. The sun will heat it up a lot and the soil under it will dry out. Now in a week I will lift the slate and inspect the garden so as not to miss the shoots of carrots, and as soon as they appear immediately the slate needs to be removed. That's all. The method is really working. I have already used it when growing lettuce and the results surprised me. The seeds sprouted very quickly. Therefore, be sure to use this method, especially now if you haven't had time to sow carrots yet. And who liked the information, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you great harvests and a good day.